Okay, guys, welcome back to my channel once again. So, in this beautiful Monday morning, I'll be showing you my experience with Piggyvest. All right, I'll be showing you my experience with Piggyvest so far. So, before I get started, I hope you guys are doing great. I hope you had a nice weekend. Okay, so let's dive in. So, I started using Piggyvest at the late 2019. Okay, so by January 2021, I had already saved about 600,000 plus. All right, 600,000 plus. Now, this is my review of the Piggyvest platform and what I think about it. So let's dive in. So I will open the Piggyvest app now. So as you can see, my total savings right now is about 250,000 naira. So I had withdrawn some money and all that to do some other things, but I still continue to save. Okay, so now Piggyvest is a platform that allows you to manage your money like never before. Okay, on top of that, you get interest, good interest from just saving your money. All right, if you keep your money in the bank, it won't appreciate the way it would appreciate when you save it in Piggyvest. Now, before I get started, I want you to know that Piggyvest is a secure and registered platform. All right, they have a microfinance bank. So if I go to Flex Naira now, you see they work with Wema Bank. All right, and they are registered. You can browse about them online, so they are registered. So you don't have any fear saving money with Piggyvest. Okay, now let me show you some of the features we have now on the home page. Okay, so actually, if you are thinking of signing up with Piggyvest, click the link or the description below this video and sign up using my link. I'll get 1k for referring you. You also will get 1k for coming through me. All right, that is 1,000 naira to both of us each for using that link. Okay, so now let's get started. What are the essential features of Piggyvest? All right, for me, the features I've used is one, the piggy bank feature. Okay, now I save money here on a weekly basis. On a weekly basis, okay, I basically set it up to automatically deduct money from my account on a weekly basis. As you can see, I save 2k weekly, and I've been saving money here, but for some time now, I needed money to buy tools, buy equipment, rent an apartment, and all that. So I took money from my account. Now, how does the piggy bank feature work? It enables you to save money automatically. You can just come and just set it up to save money on a weekly basis. Okay, for instance, let me see something. Okay, not this particular place. Saving settings. Okay, I think I already done that. So I already have a savings running. Okay, okay, weekly. So for instance, I want to save. I want to click another auto save. So let's say monthly. So let's save 1,000 naira monthly. So one. So as you can see, it says date of the month. I'll select the first day. All right, then I usually select early morning, so I don't know when I'm debited. Okay, so I'll use 5 a.m. Okay, then use bank card. When do you want to start? I want to start now. Okay, save, confirm your to save changes, confirm. Okay, monthly auto save amount must be between, okay, as you can see, I didn't know that before because I was doing the weekly savings. Okay, so let me back, let me make it 3,000 naira. Okay, continue. Monthly. So for instance, that's just an example though. That's too small to save in a month. All right. So for me though, not for everybody. So don't get offended by that. So start now. Save. Confirm. Okay. Auto save settings saved successfully. Great. All right. So now my autosave will save monthly, but I don't want that. So I'll take it back to weekly. Take it back to weekly. So you can set any amount you like. You can set from, it depends on the particular time. So as you can see, I was trying to save 1K monthly and it said no, it must be 3,000 naira monthly. Okay, so let me continue my weekly savings. I normally use Fridays. I was born on a Friday. As you can see, he said, awesome, you earned a point for saving 3,000 naira. So that means, and all these points can be redeemed for cash. 1 point is about 10 naira or so. Okay, so and they give you points for saving money every now and then. So let me just do my auto save. 5 a.m. I'll say start next week. All right, save. Okay, so now it has been activated. As you can see, 3,000 naira has been added to my savings just now because I set up a new auto save. That is how the auto save by auto save feature of Piggybank works. Okay, so now you can also withdraw, and you can withdraw from your Piggybank. So let's say you want to withdraw and it's outside your withdrawal date, you would pay 2.5% breaking fee. All right, that is if you are breaking your piggy bank balance, you will pay 2.5% breaking fee. That 2.5% is to make people, is to prevent people from easily breaking their savings. So when you know that you'll be paying money for breaking your savings, you are likely to allow it to run, except on very rare occasions when you really need money. Okay, so you can break. So I've broken my piggy bank before and I paid 2.5% breaking fee. So that's for that. Then you also get interest for saving. All right, so for instance, you can see the piggy bank is currently 10% per annum. That is, you get 10% interest per, if you can save, you can leave money in your piggy bank, for up to 1 year, you get 10%. Let's say you save 1 million naira in 1 year, you are going to get a whooping 10% for just saving money on the piggy bank feature. Okay, I believe that's okay. Let me see if I can receive your interest for April. As you can see, amazing job. Amazing job. Piggy bank interest has been paid to your Flex wallet. Great. Okay, so as you can see, so that's for the piggy bank feature. So the other one is Safelock. Now, for Safelock, you can lock some money away. All right. Let's say for instance, this is money I locked away. I got money for a service I rendered online, and I locked the money away, and I instantly earned interest. Just locking away 30,000 naira gave me an interest of 2,104 naira for just locking this money away. All right, that's something beautiful. Okay, if it was more money, I will get more interest. As you can see, the more the dates you lock the funds away, the higher the higher the interest. Okay, so that's for that about that. Then what else? Okay, then Flex Dollar, I've not used that. On your own, you can learn about that. Then target, this is where you create targets. For instance, you have a target towards accomplishes something, maybe travel, marriage, um, buying properties and all that, you can come here and create a new target. For now, I just have one target here. I just name it 250k car fund. All right, so I'm saving um towards a car. Okay, although I don't, I just name it that. So you can start a personal target, let's say, and your target, it pays you 9% per annum. So if you save 1 million naira in your target, you are going to get 9%. Now that is outside your piggy bank savings, outside your Safelock savings, and your target savings. All right, you see, Piggyvest pays you interest in all their features. All right, you can start a personal target here. For instance, let's say, let's just say YouTube channel fund. Okay, let's say I want to buy equipment in 2022. I can just come, say, select a reason. Let's say growing a business. And my target amount, I can put a target amount. Okay, let me put 10,000 naira for instance, because I don't want to save now. So choose frequency. Let's say let me use monthly. Okay, so tap to continue. So amount to save frequently, can say let me see if I can use 1,000 a year now. Sorry, let me see if I can use 1,000 a year now. Date of the month, let me use first day. Select time. You can leave all this. Start date, you can say start today, or start in 7 days. Set to draw date, you can say end in 31 days, for instance. You can put it for up to 1 year. All right, you can see, so 1 year. All right, so that's for that. Then select your funding source. So I use my bank card. Right, so I hereby see, you see what he's saying now. I hereby agree that I will forfeit the interest accrued on this target savings if I fail to meet this target amount of 10,000 naira by the set withdrawal date. I hereby agree to this. If you break this target before the withdrawal date, you will lose all the interest accrued and bear the 1% gateway charge. Now, if you don't meet up with your target, you won't get the interest. And if you break this target before the withdrawal date, you will pay 1% you bear the 1% gateway charge. All right, that is for target. So let me just agree, and create target. Okay, your savings target must be at least 30 days long, not 24 days. All right, please make sure it ends in 30 days. I didn't see that. So start in, okay, because I started in 7 days. Start today. Okay, create target. So let's see if it's create now. As you can see, created successfully, no image uploaded. All right, so now I've created a target for money I need to grow my YouTube channel, to buy equipment, and it's to last for 32 days. All right, so every month, or every day, or every week, you'll be collecting 1,000 naira from my account. But this target is not a proper savings target because I didn't do it very well. Now, how do you expect me to save 10,000 naira in 32 days when I save 1,000 naira monthly? So it's not possible. So you have to follow it rightly. All right, so that's for that about target savings. Then what else can I show you? Flex Naira. If you save, Flex Naira is like your personal bank account. All right, as you can see, my account is showing on the screen right now. So if you save money in your Flex account, you'll be getting 8% per annum. And if any money you save in your Flex wallet, you'll be getting 8% of that savings in your Flex wallet. At least I think it's better than your bank account. How much interest do you get for saving money in your account? I believe right now, I believe there is practically almost zero interest. But with piggy bank, you get 8% interest per annum. All right. So that's for flex account. So what else can I show you? So there's nothing else I can show you. So other than urging you to start saving, right? Start saving with Piggyvest and ensure to use the link below the description so that you get the 1,000 naira bonus, and I also get the 1,000 naira bonus for bringing you, for referring to the platform. So overall, I love Piggyvest. I've been using it for a very long time now. If I see, let me see if I can see my transaction history here. Let me see, view more. Let me see if I can view up to the, as you can see, these are all my transactions. As you can see, that's 2019. As you can see, 2019. I only started using it in 2019, so that's over 2 years now. All right, so you see, all right, so you can see, I withdraw, I deposit, and all that. 120 deposited, withdrawn, and all that. Okay, so start using Piggyvest, and it's very easy. Once you click on the link below, just fill in your name, your first name. Please use your correct details. All right, it's like a bank account. Use your correct details and sign up for an account. Don't be afraid to link your BVN and your debit card. Right, as you can see, I have my BVN linked, I have my debit card linked, I have everything linked. All right, so bank, my card and bank settings, debit card, all right, linked, as you can see. Then what else? My BVN is linked, everything is linked, my account settings, everything is linked. So link your settings so that you can enjoy the platform to its fullest and get your bonus. All right, so thank you for watching this video. I hope it was educating enough for you. Peace out.